Hi there, friends. I want to show you really quickly the best way to use this Quizlet. And I'm going to start up here in our digital classroom. And I'm going to click here in the greetings and introductions. And that's going to take me to the Quizlet app. Okay. Now, sure, I can just learn the words, right? But I can also do something even better. I can take the test. Now, I want this test to be 100% multiple choice and matching and true and false. So I want to make sure that the written option is off. Okay, I can increase the number of questions here. Let's leave it at 20. And I can start my test. Now what will happen here is that if you end up with 80% or more on this test, it means that you've got a good grip on this content. Good luck.